Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, this is Dropping Gems. Thank you so much for tuning in. For today's video, we're going to be speaking about researching basically self-publishing books using a free tool by the name of DS Automation. Alright, I won't be using my Journal Sculpting extension today. I'll be using this free tool. So in order to have this free tool, you're going to type in DS Amazon Quick View on Google, and then you're going to click on the extension. You're then going to add the extension. Once it's added, alright, it's almost finished. It's being added to Chrome. Once it's added, you click on your extension tool and you make it visible. I'm going to make this invisible because we're just going to be using this. And we're not going to be looking at books today. We're going to be focusing on the Kindle store today because, as I told you guys in a prior video, I'm taking this whole self-publishing thing a bit different and not just focusing on low content books, but to focus on books with some amount of content in it and high content books as well. So because I haven't had any sales since I started in July of 2021. We were in December, and to date I have 0 sales. So I'm taking a different approach to this, and this is my reapproach basically. I just get to take part and tune in as I go along on this journey in order to have these books published. And let's see what it takes us from there. Anyway, back to what's important. We're going to be looking at the Kindle store today, and we're going to be looking at books with a ranking of anything below 100,000 and books on the first, let's say, 5-6 pages. I'm also going to be implementing what I've already learned from my low content books that have been published recently that I would usually do. So let's get started. We're going to be looking for, let's see, gardening, and gardening practices. Let's see what happens. And just like that, we've landed on the best keyword. This just came to mind. We have 1 to 16 of over 1,000 results of gardening practices, which is good. So now that we found that, let's see basically with the tool what will happen. And we can see here it's displaying the BSR as well as the ASN for the books. Alright, so we're looking for 100,000, which we only have here. This published 2016. Since we found the books, we're now going to see what was published within the past 30 days. Let's see what happens. So here we have 10 books that was published in the past 30 days. And let's basically see. I'm now going to incorporate my extension in order to see how much was sold within the past 30 days. So I refresh this page because I don't think the DS Amazon Quick View does not provide you with sales that have been basically made in the past 30 days. My Jungle Scout extension does. So I'm going to use it in order to find out that information. And here we have within the past 30 days. The information is still being loaded. We have this is published on November 16th, 2021, which is basically a few days ago. And they have 551 sales monthly, and daily sales $18. We have the ASN, the PSR, and we have the rank in whichever category it's in. Them is just 10 books. Here we have one that was sold. This was released a few days ago. We have another one. No sales as yet. We have another one here. No sales as yet. No sales as yet. No sales, no sales, no sales. Alright, so the only book that I've been sold in the past 30 days, it hasn't been completely 30 days, but it's this book, The Native American Herbalist. So there's a good keyword and something you can basically look into. I'm not going to open the book, but you guys get the idea. Let's look for a different Kindle book under a different keyword. Let's try and crafting. Let's take out, instead of handcrafting, let's try handcraft because I'm seeing witchcraft. I'm not sure why. So let's edit this and just type in handcraft. And as you can see here, it's a great keyword because you only have 140 results. So this is gold, as some might see. They don't have anything within the past 30 days and so forth. So you can check to see if any books were released within the past 30 days because that information is not here. So what we will do, we're going to check. We're going to check here and basically see titles that were least reviewed. I won't say most reviewed because it's just a few books. You know what? Let's not check that. Let's just scroll through when it's finished. Then basically see what was sold, what hasn't been sold, and so forth. So you can have an idea of what persons are looking for when it comes to handcraft. Alright, and as we scroll through here, this book was released last year. No sales. 2012, no sales. 2019, 25 monthly sales, which isn't bad. No sales, no sales, no sales. 74 sales we have here. It is published in 2021 in July. No sales, 8 sales, 0 sales, no sales. So as you guys can see, I've incorporated two tools. Basically, it's how sales. So basically, see this PSR is 138 and this PSR is 157. So as you can see, there's some variation between the tools. However, it did give you results. It's not off that much. Let's check another one. Let's go back to the top. This starts 127, this one is 85. So there are some differences in both tools, but hey, nothing is ever really consistent. So this video is basically to show you some research that I did in the Kindle store for books, so you can have some ideas on what books you can start creating of low content, not no content, but low content, that you can put out there that persons can purchase in order to do necessary. I'm going to go through future videos how you can have these books basically written, designed, and uploaded. So as I go down the process, you guys can join me. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.